welcome to Curry TV. Today I'm going to do a video that has been requested many times on our channel. It is how to make Kerala Matta rice at home. There's many varieties, ways of how to make your own Kerala Matta rice. One is a pressure cooker, the other one is the authentic style with the Indian vessel and all that. That's a lot of process, but this is with an Instapot. Very easy, very simple, but I'm just going to take you step by step how to make your own Kerala Matta rice at home. So let's take a look at how it's going to be. So I got 2 cups of rice measured out. There's many varieties of rice out there. So the rice that I'm going to show you is from my origin, which is Kerala. So Kerala has this Matta rice that looks like red wild rice, but it's not. It's full of protein, and I'm going to show you how to make this at home. So first off, this is 2 cups of rice that I have already measured out. We're going to pour in some water. There's no measurements for this. What we're going to do is we're going to wash our rice. So as the water is so murky, you need to wash it multiple times till the water runs clear. So I'm going to show you that. So this is the first wash. We're going to drain it and we're going to pour some more water, and then we're going to soak this rice in warm water for 10 minutes. I've washed this about 3-4 times right now. We're going to pour in some warm water. We're going to soak this for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. Now what we're going to do is get our Instapot going. Into our Instapot, we're going to pour this water along with the rice and extra water to make sure that there's sufficient water for the starch to release, right? So let's add all of this. Along with another 4 cups of water. Making sure that our measurement water level is below half mark. So there is a safety precautions for your Instapot. So for me, I'm just taking it to just right below half mark. So we're going to put our lid back on, and I'm going to seal my. All right. So the vending is switched to sealing mode, and we are going to use pressure cooker mode for 25 minutes, and it's going to keep warm for us. And then after that 25-minute mark, it's going to come down and it's going to just keep it warm for me. That beep will be there for you, letting you know that your rice is ready. So we're going to wait 25 minutes for this to cook on high pressure, and then we'll take a look at how it's come out. Our Instapot has been resting for some time. Cling glue. Okay. Now, as you can see, our rice is well cooked. How do you check that, right? See that? This is nice fatty rice, okay? Not meaning fatty for you, but it's nice fat rice. So that's what we're going to use for our dish today. This is all extra starch you don't need for your body. So what you can do is just get rid of all that extra water, and you get just the rice itself. This is how simple you can make Kerala Matta rice at home using Instapot. If you want to use the Kerala authentic style, use a pressure cooker or the Indian big vessel, which I don't have right now, but I'm sure this will do the job. So I'll see you guys next time on Curry TV. Thank you. Bye.